Greetings, everyone. I wanted to just go over the announcements and reminders for this week, especially being that we will have mandatory synchronous meetings happening this week. I first want to tell you all that I'm so proud of y'all for getting through the virtual discussions this semester. I know that it has been, I know that it's taken a lot for you all to schedule the time, to come together and to discuss the readings. And so you all from week to week surprised me. From week to week, you had, great discussion, supported one another in the process of understanding the readings. And I think you all really helped to develop a sense of community. And so again, I'm proud of y'all for sticking with it and for having the dedication to be able to be flexible in this learning experience. So this week, as you know, as per the announcements, we're done. No more virtual discussions. But feel free to meet anyway for the remainder of the semester and stay connected and to stay connected even throughout next semester. So this is something that you all know that you can do to support one another. So anyway, that is done. We don't have to worry about that. And so the synchronous meetings are going to be on Wednesday and Saturday. So Wednesday the 14th, okay, and Saturday the 17th. And so I've scheduled them for an hour, okay? So 6:30 to 7:30 on Wednesday, and then 10:30 to 11:30 on Saturday. So you can choose one of them. It is required that you attend. I want to make sure that I'm able to go over what's left in the course, which includes the final paper and the final presentation, okay? So I want to make sure that I touch base with you all about that. There are going to be a couple of changes there, so I want to make sure that you all are aware. Speaking of those changes, so the paper will remain the same. I'm going to go over the rubric for you all during those sessions, and then I am also going to talk about the presentation. So specifically, the presentation was originally scheduled, okay, or was decided upon being a poster presentation. I wanted to do this with Dr. Alacron's class as well, but being that she has first year doctoral students, they're not as far along. Some of them are further along, but some of them are not. And so we're trying to we're making sure that we're meeting them where they are. So for her class, I don't believe that she's going to do I don't believe that she's going to do the poster presentations. For this class, I think it's best that we do just a video presentation. So each one of you will have to do a video presentation, not more than 15 minutes, okay, about your project, and you will upload that to Blackboard, and then from there I will grade them, and I will send you, and then I will upload your grade to Blackboard. Okay, and the reason being is that there are a few of you all that are not in the Greater Houston area, and so just to make this somewhat friendly for those that aren't in the Greater Houston area, as well as those that are in the Greater Houston area, and being that this is an online course, I thought that some of y'all would appreciate that. So we're gonna do a video presentation. So I'll go over that both Tuesday and Saturday. Okay. So the reading for this week is kind of light. It's it's the appendix and meals. Okay. And make sure that you are continuing to record in your reflective journals. Okay. I don't believe I had a minimum in terms of entries that I want to see, but preferably I like to see about 10 entries. Okay. 10 authentic, honest entries. Okay. And reflective in the sense that you're thinking about your experience in the course, growth in the class, growth of knowledge in terms of action research, and most importantly, how have you moved your dissertation along? Okay. So those are the things that I want you to write about. And then for many of you, you've used it as a way to collect data. Okay, so I strongly suggest that you feel free to also be able to capture information, thoughts, discussion of biases, eureka moments in your journals. Okay. There are no virtual office hours this week because of the virtual because of the synchronous meetings that we're having. Okay. And if you have any questions, or if you need to meet one-on-one, either in person or virtually, just let me know. I can meet with you all via Skype or Google Hangouts. Okay. All right. Y'all have a great week, and I'll see you. I'll see some of y'all on Wednesday. On Wednesday, not Tuesday. On Wednesday. Some of y'all on Wednesday, and some of y'all on Saturday. Okay. All right. Bye.